So dark in here. Here's my re-entrant speaker strobe, EST. Just wired from the panel, from the amplifier. It was all the way across the garage where I have, it kind of got tangled with the smoke detector wires, and I accidentally pulled off the smoke detector. So I had to rewire it. But anyway, it comes all the way over here, comes down here, comes around the DV200, and goes into the amplifier. Also, I hung up my 3 ASU and 3 FTCU. As soon as I can get the money, I will buy an EST3, a real EST voice-evac panel. And of course, probably will come with the microphone and the telephone, so I don't know if I'll get rid of these. I don't think I will though. I don't plan to sell them because they're pretty valuable. Got them for $99 each on the auction. Anyway, this is my traffic light, by the way. I have a whole bunch of these everywhere. My walk signal right there. It used to light up, but my dad unplugged it. Anyway, getting off topic. As I didn't say this before, I said this in my other camera, but I replaced the circular speaker strobe with the rectangular one because it was making weird noises, and the reason why is because it was rated 25 volts VRMs. This one is rated 70 VRMs because my amplifier puts out 70.7 VRMs, so I had to replace it. And I just got 14 new speaker strobes rated at 70 VRMs, so I'm pretty much set for the whole setup. My EST3, I'm going to unlock it right now. I'm ready to pull the state pull station. And I'm also going to open up my fire shield. I don't need to open up the DV200 because it resets itself. So without further ado, I'm going to pull the pull station. First I need to put the key in, of course, because if I want to reset it. That's nice. Fail. I'm just going to flip the switch. 3, here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1, go. I turned the volume down so you can hear me say something. The strobes are set for temporal, which means 333, or beep, beep, beep. Oh, and I forgot there's a strobe outside as well. You can see the flash outside. Anyway, I'm going to reset this now. I'm going to turn up the volume. And there we go. Usually what happens is I'm afraid to always pull the pull station because usually once I pull it, it never resets. So I gotta remind myself which panel to reset first, which is the proper way to do is the EST3 has to be reset first before the fire shield is reset. Oh, and here's some programmable buttons. We have a program button for all alarms disable, horn strobe disable, and elevator control disable. If I do this, it disables all elevators within the building. Of course, it doesn't work anymore. Horn strobe disable. I have no idea what this LED does, the bottom one. I read the manual, and it doesn't really make sense to me. I know when this blinks, it means it's being activated, and when it's steady, it means it's actuated. And I press drill. Nothing happens because I don't have a booster. It's supposed to be hooked up to the booster panel for the strobes. But I don't use strobes, I don't use horn strobes anymore since I use speaker strobes. I don't think I'll be able to get money for the ST3 very quickly. I'm just going to look for one on auction online. I saw one for online about a year ago, but instead I bought my IFP 1000. It's quite amazing. It's almost been a year so far since I've had that. So I'm just going to go inside now because it's getting really cold out here. I don't think I ever mentioned this before, but I do have a Wheelock Safe Path panel, and these things are huge. They are massive and overweight. The UPS guy had trouble just bringing it in. He had to use the wheelie cart. And it's in storage right now, and I am buying the self-amplified card. So I'm going to put that in, and once I put that in, that'll be our full voice evac panel. But probably only for the microphone now. Unfortunately, because it's a remote panel. It's not the full bass panel. So yeah. So yeah, that's it.